What is up, guys? Emmanuel here. Welcome to my channel. I went ahead and I purchased a shift boot for my 2019 Civic Hatchback. I'm going to take you guys along with me. I'm going to install this and we're going to take a closer look. If you haven't yet, please subscribe. Check my videos out. I'm going to go ahead and build my car on this channel and I'm going to take you guys along with me, and I would love for you guys to follow along. So yeah, so go ahead and subscribe, like, comment if you have any questions, and without any further ado, we're going to take a look at this shift knob. Shift boot. I'm going to tell you guys where I got it from, so check it out. So there it is, guys. This is the shift boot I purchased for my Civic Hatchback, and I got this, believe it or not, I got it at eBay, and the quality is actually not too bad. And this was $27.90, and then shipped it was about $30. And I got this from JF Customs, and I'll go ahead and leave a link in the description box below. And yeah, so in the description when I purchased this, it said it was 100% Italian suede. If you look closely inside, it's kind of it seems like it's almost synthetic, so I'm not sure if it's real suede or not. It is soft and plush, and it might be a thin layer of suede and then like some sort of synthetic backing, but it's kind of hard to tell. But for $30, you can't go wrong with this. The only downside was shipping. Since they were from the UK, it was about 3 weeks to get this, so it's quite a bit of wait time to get this. But yeah, I'll go ahead and leave a link in the description box below if you guys want to go ahead and purchase this. They do have different colorways. I went with the red and the black stitching. They also had black with red stitching, and they just have a ton of different colors to choose from. It's pretty much just whatever you're interested in, I guess. But yeah, I'll go ahead and leave a link, and I'm gonna show you guys how to install this. So yeah, check it out. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how to remove the center console. It has these two plastic trims, and then I'm gonna show you guys how to take the shift knob off and how to take this off. Tools, I have these pry tools, and I have some little pick tools like these ones, and screwdriver. These should pop off. Like this. Oh, okay. There we go. This one's off. Better if you work your way from the bottom and kind of pull it up. There we go. These ones are off. I'm going to show you guys how to take this off. So you pull down like this, and this comes off, and then you just twist this up like this. Just turn to the left. Screws right here. I'm going to take these off. 2 right here also on the sides. Here. Has 2 clips. Pull it in here. Has little tabs, and then you just pull. And that's how you guys remove the console. Alright, so I have the center shift boot console here, and I'm gonna go ahead and remove the shift boot. As you can see here, it has these staples. So this has like a zip tie, so I'm gonna cut this off. I'm gonna be reusing this and the stock shifter until I find a shift knob that I actually like. So this, take this off, shift boot, so I'll take this off. Phillips screws right here. So what you want to do is you want to stick this tool in here and kind of press down, and it'll start to pop up. Whew. So basically guys, this snaps over here. What you want to do is these will stick out through the inside of this, and you're gonna push down the gray tab and push down and kind of work your way up. It helps if you do one side, turn it over, do one side, and then pull those two out. Once that comes off, guys, now all that's left is taking the shift boot off. And I'm gonna go ahead and take off these little staples here. I'm just gonna pull them out. Be careful to not break them. All that's left is to take the shift boot off, and it's kind of held with this kind of adhesive here. Just lift these up. There we go. There it is. That's how you take it off. The old one, here's the new one. This one's definitely a little bit bigger. And now we're gonna pretty much do the same thing in reverse. These in here. That one's in. So now basically what I'm doing is I'm pulling this and I'm sticking it to the double-sided adhesive. So I got the staple in. It took forever. And then I'm just gonna fold this like this. So that's it right there. I'm pretty much gonna have to do that nine more times. But yeah, do this and I'll show you guys when I'm done. So just a bit of an update. I put this back on, this bezel here, and the best thing to do is to install it while these flaps are not locked in with the staple. Reason being is when you snap this, it kind of stretches this and it moves it. So the best thing to do is to put this on before you put the staples on. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and keep at it, I guess. Basically, I take this pick tool and I punch a hole in through here. I'm gonna take my staple and then I try to straighten it as much as possible. Or bend it inward so it goes in through the holes, like so. Bend it in. Now that it's in, you just guide it back in through these. You might have to poke these in and make them bigger. This. So pretty much once you get your staple in and have it flush here, you wrap the shift boot over and you kind of press on it like this, and what this does, it'll guide you. Press it again. I'm gonna turn this, straighten these out. So I press this against the staple, kind of press on it like this. So this one's in. Just pull the staple through. You take your pliers and then you fold the staple over. Just take your staple through, press it with the pliers. Then that's pretty much it, guys. I have 1, 2, 3 more to go. And then I'll catch up with you guys when I finish this, but this is how it's looking so far. Alright guys, so there you have it. This is the shift boot installed with the bezel. All of the staples installed. It looks pretty good. All that's left is to install parking brake and the econ button, and then install this lock collar for the shift knob. Back into place right here. Make sure it clicks. 2 more screws right here. before I install this zip tie, I'm gonna make sure that it's facing the right direction. Tighten it. Cut the excess off. There you have it, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and put this back on the car. I'm gonna turn the lights on, running out of daylight, but all that's left now is to reinstall the shiftboot console. And I'm just gonna reconnect all these back to their corresponding locations. There we go. 2 screws here. And from the side. There it is, guys. There you have it, guys. That was the install. This is with the stock shifter. I'm probably gonna get another shift knob, but I'll be shopping around to see what I find. But I'm gonna keep it for now. Black, red. Doesn't look too bad. But yeah, there you have it, guys. So there you have it, guys. That was the install of the shift boot for my 2019 Civic Hatchback. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. See you later, dude.